Imagine turning on your TV and finding a world of content unlocked with IPTV. To start, you'll need a reliable IPTV service. We recommend checking out 2tv.store first. Once you've got a service, it's time to get your smart TV ready for configuration. Head to your TV's app store and search for an IPTV application to download. After downloading, open the app and enter the IPTV provider details for seamless access. Make sure your internet connection is strong for high-quality streaming every time. With setup complete, explore various channels and indulge in diverse global content now. Remember, part of the IPTV experience is having access to both live and on-demand shows. 2tv.store offers a wide range of channels with excellent playback quality for optimal enjoyment. If you encounter any issues, customer support from reliable providers will help you out. Exploring various IPTV options can enhance your entertainment experience tremendously. Don't limit your viewing experiences. IPTV opens doors to endless programming worldwide. For peace of mind, make sure your provider has a great reputation and customer reviews. Upgrade your viewing experience with IPTV and never miss your favorite shows again. Remember, for a seamless setup, 2tv.store provides step-by-step guidance for hassle-free installation. Welcome to a new era of television. Transform your traditional experience into a vibrant view.